Good morning, people! Malap! Morning! Happy Friday! Friday na, guys! We're heading to Perth. Kakarating lang namin sa airport. Hinatid kami ng stepdad ni Dan. Thank you, Pete! Yung dala namin isang isang malaking luggage. Nandyan na yung amin. Dalawa ni Dan. Tapos, he's bringing his backpack. And then, meron akong backpack pero nilagay ko muna sa luggage kasi hindi ko pa siya kailangan. Ito lang munang bag yung dala-dala ko. Yung Snapchat from Marc Jacobs. Ito lang yung suot ko, guys. Hindi naman siya kasi sobrang lamig talaga. And I think mas malamig dito kaysa sa Perth. Malamig pa din sa Perth pero hindi ganun kalamig. And it's gonna be our first time in Perth, my love. Is it yours?
Yeah, first time as well.
Yeah, first time namin dalawa sa Perth. Yay! As in, first time ko makapunta sa Western Australia na state. Do you have the paperwork?
Yeah.
Okay. Hindi na to kailangan ng passport. Virgin. Uy. Okay. Booking reference number? Should be alright. Good? Yeah.
Oh, good.
I think so. That's the reference number. Yep. Yep. So you checking guys are doing? Self-check-in tayo, guys. Ikaw na mag-drop ng bag mo, wala ng tao. That's alright, my love. It's there. Oh, good? Where are we?
Chocolate.
What are we doing
We're
here?
having breakfast. Ham, cheese, croissant, toasted, and 2 cappuccinos. 1 cappuccino, 1 latte with 2 sweetness.
Good job. Buang ka. Kapajino ka dyan. Hintay-hintay muna. Check-in namin, guys. Alas 10. 9:25 pa lang. So, okay pa tayo.
Plenty of
Who's
time.
that? Chubby kid.
Me.
That's you. That's you, my love. Our croissant is here. Toasted ham and cheese croissant. Yummers.
Cappuccino. Latte. A wifey.
Beautiful wife.
Wifey.
So good. Guys, papunta na kami sa gate namin. And pupunta kami ng Perth kasi may laro yung yung team ni Dan. And feeling ni Dan, same flight kami nung mga player. Kasi nakita namin yung mga player, guys. Dumadaan sa coffee shop kanina. Sabi niya, feeling ko, same flight. Tapos sinerch niya talaga sa kung yung airline na ginagamit ng AFL. Tapos Virgin Australia daw. So,
Hopefully, yeah. I think we are. I'm not 100% sure.
hindi siya sure, pero feeling namin oo. Wala kaming nakitang player na pumasok. Wala, nothing.
What's that?
Players.
I don't know. We'll find out. Maybe they get off first because of...
Maybe they're already there.
maybe.
Baka. Kasi sabi ni Dan, nakita ko yung mga nila, bagahe nila, daw, sinasakay daw sa plane. 24A and B. Doon tayo, babe. Wala pa ding players. Sabi ni Dan, baka nauna daw. Wali. Sorry. Do you want window? Or...
Do you want window? You can have window.
Okay. Kahit saan naman ako. Kasi walang aisle. Kung aisle, sana aisle ako. Naghihintay pa rin siya, oh. Are you fanboying so much?
No, not very far.
Fanboy. Kanina pa siya tingin ng tingin siya, sa lahat. Siya lang yung nakatayo. Tinitingnan niya kung dito ba yung mga player. Pero wala naman, guys. Wala naman. Fanboy update. What's the update, my love?
I think they're on this one.
Where are they? Hello. Para ka ng giraffe dyan. Push mo yan, babe. What?
Imagine if they asked me to play footy tomorrow.
Whatever, daddy. Sabi niya nasa harap daw.
Maybe that's, I don't know. I can't see.
I thought you saw one.
I thought I did.
Okay, that's enough, my love. Just relax. It's okay. Kanina pa siya tingin ng tingin. Grabe siya. Update.
They're here.
Ay, naku, Danny. Grabe talaga siya.
Everything I love on one plane.
Aww.
The food, the $4. Hi, anyway.
They're here, my love. Sabi niya, sana tabihan daw siya. Push mo yung tabi-tabi mo. Sana daw tabihan siya. Oh my gosh, kanina pa ako tawa na tawa dito. Parang baliw ito kasama ko. Hi, Danny. Do you want a picture, my love? Na? Nagsipasukan na sila, guys.
Proud of our award-winning frequent flyer program, Velocity.
We are here. Maganda yung airport nila, in fairness. Kunin lang namin yung aming luggage kasi meron kaming check-in na isa. Rice? Okay. Sabi niya, rice daw kami. Awa. Cherry. Garas po, alkansi ko. Lugi ako dun ah. Exit. Umuulan. Tumakbo ako. Taxi tayo, guys. Ayan ay si Kuya. Baka may pila ha. Huwag ka mauna. Ah, ang dami pa naman taxi. Oh, good. Ay, rainy day in Perth. Diyan kami magsistay, guys. Mantra on Murray.
I might pack it in the morning. Pack it in the morning.
Alright, let's go, babe. Si Kuya nag-taxi kami. Si Kuya nag-stop dun sa malayo. Kaloka to si Kuya. Hindi naman sobrang layo, dun sa harap. Dito na kami, guys. Check-in. Naka-check-in na kami. Punta tayo sa room. 504 tayo. Okay, this
I
way.
think we might face out onto the
City?
building there.
Ito. Malaki. Fairness. Food. Buang ka. Walang nalang. Wala naman yung laman, babe. There you go. Wow, you gotta do it real slowly. Okay. Wow, it's big, babe. Malaki siya, guys. Ang mura lang nito.
I dropped the card, but that's alright.
You drop the card. Ay, nakadali. Room tour tayo, guys. Ang mura lang nitong hotel na to. How much did we pay for this? 130?
130 a night.
Yeah, 130 a night. And malaki na to, ha? Dito sa gilid, nandito yung kanilang bathroom at saka toilet. So, yan yung shower. Not bad. Malaki yung shower head. So, that's good. Isang sink. Dito yung toilet. And, meron ba silang toothbrush? Walang toothbrush. Pero okay lang, nagdala ko ng toothbrush. Shower cap. Sabon. Meron tayong, ano tong mga to? Lotion lang yung kailangan ko. Okay na ako. What's this? Ginger foot? Ano ginger foot? Agay? Ano ba yun? Ano yan? Urban Minerals. Lotion yan? Or shampoo? Yun. Body balm. So, lotion. Tonic hand and body cleanser. In fairness. Body balm again. And hair wash. Okay. So, itong mga body balm. Pwede ko yan gamitin. Pero may dala akong lotion. Yan. OOTD. Yung ano ko pala, pants ko, Yes Style. And then I'm just wearing my Converse. Alright, let's continue with the tour. So, dito, ang galing. Merong table, working station natin yan. And then, nandun yung bed. And then, dito sa gilid, merong couch, which is perfect. And then, meron ding, ano guys? Kitchenette. Ito, kitchenette. Yan. Ang galing ha. Your phone is ringing, my love. Merong mga complimentary na tea and coffee. Meron pa, pwedeng magluto dito. Uy, ang mura lang nito. Tapos sa city pa to, guys. So, again, we are in Mantra on Murray. Yan. Pwede kang mag-ano dito. Mag-take away. Tapos dito mo initin kasi meron din silang microwave. So, yan. May mga gamit. Pwede to pang pamilya, do. Pwede. Yan. And then, nandito yung ating bed. Merong dalawang side tables. AC. And then, ito. So, pwede dito ilagay yung luggage. And then, meron tayong mirror. Anong laman nito? Ayan. Ito yung view natin. Ayan. Tapos sabi ni ate, pag pupunta ng stadium para manood ng footy, magti-train lang daw. Ayan. So, kanina ni kuya, saan niya ba kami inano? Doon niya kami, nag-stop doon, malayo. So, nilakad namin yan dyan, tapos tumawid pa kami. Perth is very similar to Adelaide. Very similar, guys. Like, ang daming mga building na kamukha ng buildings ng Adelaide. Like, yung city nila, parang Adelaide lang. Like, ito, may ganitong building sa Adelaide. May mga ganyan. Alam mo yun? Para lang talaga siyang Adelaide. Do you agree, babe?
Yep.
Yeah, it's very similar. Oh, I need to charge my phone. And I need to upload my video. Nakakaloka yung video na in-upload ko kagabi. Kailangan pa naman yun ma-publish tonight. Ano siya? Nag-process lang siya. Tapos hindi na siya natapos. Na-stuck siya sa 95%. Tapos nakatapos na ako ng isang video. Kasi once na-processing na yung video ko, nag-upload ako ulit ng isa kapag meron na akong tapos na video. Natapos na yung isa, pero yung isa na-stuck sa processing. So, kailangan ko siyang i-re-upload. So, re-upload natin. Asan yung laptop ko? Labas lang tayo, guys. Kain tayong lunch. What time is it now? Mga 2:30?
Not quite.
What time is it?
2:15.
2:15. Nag-ano lang ako. Tinanggal ko yung glasses ko. Nag-contacts lang ako. Mascara, lips, at saka blush. Amazonian na Maybelline Matte Ink. Nandito yung mga shops nila, guys. Para lang siyang Randall Mall. Oh, Forever New. Wala nga lang silang bowls. Char. Pero yeah. Same lang. Ng itsura. Kain muna tayo, guys. Magde-decide kami kung pepper lunch kami or arirang. Do you want to do arirang? Sige, let's do arirang. Ano siya? Korean barbecue? Korean. Sige, let's do it. Yeah. That looks good.
Yeah,
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Okay. Mura lang, guys. Lunch menu. Ito yung akin ay spicy honey chicken and rice. Wait.
Hello.
Dito $10 lang. $10.90.
One bibimbap.
Special
bibimbap.
nila.
Beef or chicken? Beef, please. Okay. One of these soy honey chickens.
No, the spicy honey.
Spicy honey chicken.
Yes, please.
One Fanta and
Very sorry. Fanta is not available.
okay, the lemon lime bitters. Do you make that yourself?
Yeah. We
Dito na yung beef bibimbap ni Dan, guys. That's a lot. Meron siyang chili sauce pero hindi niya yan kakainin.
Nakapatong kayo sa baso.
Thank you. Wow. Thanks. Thank you. I got the, guys, honey soy, spicy honey chicken. Ang dami. Kain tayo.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks. Ganun lang yung deres. Kain, guys. Nag-init.
Good. Maybe not. good though.
Is it? Not too. Sarap nito guys. Hindi siya sobrang anghang, which is good. Nagdugo talaga yung ilong ko. Ibisi talaga. Ginalaw ko kasi. Tapos na kami kumain guys. Lakad-lakad kami. Tingin-tingin sa mga shops. And meron ako nakitang Salvos. Salvation Army. Ano siya? Thrift shop. So, tingnan natin. Kasi tagal
you
ko
know
na
what I should look for?
What?
Zach.
Yawan,
No,
masagpan
get
mo,
some
babe.
Zach's and West Coast stuff.
Takot naman ako dun, babe. Ito guys. Salvos. Tingnan natin. Hindi naman kasing ganda siguro yung mga thrift store ng Australia compared sa US. Pero we'll see. Dito kami sa Meijer guys. I'm getting this. Kanina, napunta kami ng Salvo, diba? Yung mga hinahanap ko sana, yung mga ganito. Kasi yung mga pinapanood ko sa YouTube. Mga ganito yung mga nakukuha nila. Mga Adidas, mga Fila, na mga luma ba? Tapos kina-crop nila kasi pang boys or pang men's usually. Kaya lang dito nga ang aming thrift store. Or siguro hindi lang ako magaling maghanap. Anyway, I'm getting this one. Ano na siya? Naka-sale na siya, no? From 109 or 110 to 80, extra 25% off pa. So sabi ni Dan, mga $60 na lang daw to. Like that. Punta tayo H&M guys. Ang gara, oh! Laki ng building. Parang dun sa Melbourne lang. It's kind of like the same as Melbourne. It's in a, like, you know, cool building. Kasi sa Melbourne, ganyan din yung pa-style eh. Doon tayo sa gitna, babe. Ligo tayo. Ligo. Guys, dito tayo sa H&M. I-try ko tong dalawa. Puro sila slim, high waist. Kaya lang ang haba nila. Pero inisip ko kapag kasya siya, kakat ko na lang siya kung saan maikli. Kung kasya yun dito. So, ito yung size 6. From 40, 15 na lang. Same sila. Iba lang yung kulay. So, try ko lang. Did I update them that we actually went back here? Hindi ko na alam, guys. Hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko sa inyo kanina na bumalik kami ng ano. Tingnan nyo yung ilong ko doon. Inano ko kasi siya. Meron kasi siyang parang ano, alam mo yun, parang nagpipeel off na yung ano, surrounding ng pimples. Surrounding. Inano ko siya. Tinweezer ko siya. Tapos ayun. Kima love. Ayun, dumugo yung ditong kabila, ditong side, at saka sa taas. Anyway, okay lang yan. Hindi ko na siya gagalawin. Sabi ko, bahala na yan. Kanina pa ako pag gano'n, sabi ni Dan, para kang ano, para kitang sinuntok dyan. Kasi gano'n ako ng gano'n sa ilong ko. Punta kami sa, where are we going, my love?
Quarry.
Quarry?
No, I don't know.
Nagpalit lang ako nito, tapos naglagay din ako ng layer sa ilalim. Ito yung from Target na $5 lang from the kids section, size 10. Yan. Kasi malamig na kasi gabi na, guys. Wearing the same outfit aside from the jacket. Hala, nakalimutan. Kanina pa tayo naghihintay. Ay, nako. Dito na kami, guys. Ito yung itsura. Yan. Maganda ito dito, oh. Punta kami doon sa bridge. Lakad tayo doon, babe. Picture nga sila ate, oh. Do you want a picture here, my love?
Nah.
Ano siya? Parang siyang marina.
It is a good picture spot though.
Is it really?
Yeah.
To get the building?
Yeah.
Ganun na. Oo nga. It is actually good. Do you want a picture?
Nah, I don't want to.
Do you want to take a picture of me?
I can take a picture of you.
Okay. Dito na kami sa bridge, guys. Lakad-lakad. Doon kami nanggaling ay. Si Dan, picture pa more. Instagram pa more. Kapag nagta-travel kami, siya yung nag-i-Instagram, ha? Hindi yan ako yung may mga filter. Hindi ako marunong yan. Si Dan yan lahat. Maybe not lahat, but most. All good, my love?
Okay.
Instagram's good? Alams na. Friday pa, pero sira na yung diet niya. What do you want? Hindi ko siya pinipigilan. Kasi ano naman, bakasyon. Okay lang.
Hello.
Hello.
Can I just have a taste of bread and spread, please?
I just have to quickly change to that, otherwise it will melt.
No problem. No problem.
Pwede palang mag-taste test. What did you get, my love?
Got to get Cookie Monster?
Cookie Monster?
The best ice cream in Perth. The best. Have you been to ice cream in Perth? Have you been to ice cream in Perth?
No, this is our...
Right.
Ako mangga akin.
Oh, look at that. They're the best I've ever eaten outside Italy. It is good.
The best I have eaten outside Italy.
It is this is one of the best ice creams I've ever had.
Really?
Yeah. One of the best ice creams I've ever had. It is. It's delicious.
Okay. Hindi ako mahilig sa ice cream eh.
Let's taste yours. It's good. Mine's like wow.
Yeah, his is good actually. And hindi ako mahilig sa sweets. We are back again here, people. What time is it, babe?
Yeah, it's 6:15.
Napunta kami ng Target. Chinek ko lang kung meron sila nung pang inner ko, na size ko. Kasi yung luma na ko, meron ako, size 9, diba? Tapos medyo masikip na siya. Size 10 na dapat ako. So, bumili ako ng dalawa. Nakakatuwa kasi kumuha lang ako ng, gray at saka black. So, ito yung mga luma ko na kulay, gray at saka black, kaya nga lang ibang size. So, kinuha ko yung dalawa. And then, nung pagkita ko sa gray, nakalagay, on clearance for $2.50. Kasi originally, $5 to, guys. $2.50 na lang siya. Sa kids to, ha? And then, ito, wala siya nakalagay na $2.50. Pag scan namin sa self-checkout, ito, 70 cents na lang. Tapos, ito, $5. So, nag-ano pa kami dun? Tinanong pa namin si ate kung totoo ba yung 70 cents. Kasi, 70 cents? Nakakaloka. Totoo talaga siya, 70 cents. Pero ito, siya, original price siya, $5. So, 70 cents from $5. That's crazy. Anyway, chill-chill muna kami dito kasi maaga pa. Tapos, kumain din kami ng ice cream kanina or gelato. And then, nag-try kami ng tea sa Tito. So, medyo may laman pa yung tiyan namin. Mamaya kapag nagutom kami, gusto namin mag-ramen. So, maghahanap si Dan ng makakainan namin na ramen. Pero check ko muna yung video ko. Guys, nasa labas na naman kami. Grabe, ang lamig talaga do. Punta kami sa ramen place. Alright?
Sorry?
We will go to the ramen place.
Where will we?
What's the name of the ramen place? So, itong ramen place na to, meron siyang, oh my gosh, meron siyang like, almost 400 reviews, tapos 4.5 yung rating niya. So, this must be really good. This must be really good. It's good, babe. May mga Bakit ako natatakot di? Takot ako ng slide sa mga nagsisigawan. Feeling ko ako yung sinisigawan. Maraming mga dito, Asian restaurant. Yeah. Chicken feet. Yung pangalan daw ng ramen place is Ocean Ramen. Is that right? Ocean Ramen? Yan, napin natin guys. Dito na guys, Ocean Ramen. Yan. Ramen and Donburi Bar. There you go.
Donburi?
Donburi, yeah, that's what I said. Ay, bongga. Busy. Order kami ng ramoni guys. As usual. And then Fanta kay Dan. Nag-order na kami ng ramen. Thank you, my love. Salamat po. Dito na yung order namin, guys. Yan. Yan yung sa kanya. Yan yung aking chashu ramen. Yung akin. Tingnan nyo yung seaweed nila. May pangalan talaga, Ocean Ramen. Galing, diba? Try natin. Try mo, babe. Wait, I'll taste. Yeah, that's good. Thank you. Thank you. Here's my love. Guys, may nakita kaming time zone. Ooh, baka may makuha tayong teddy dito. Beba, claw machine. Isa lang? Ay, meron, hala. Teddy. Puro teddy. Ay, tsaka, babe.
Chocolate teddy.
How about that one? Oh, the red one I like. Something different. Oh, red. It's not bad, the red. Guys.
Nice background.
It is a nice background. Si Dan, buang nakakapanood ng basketball kasi nanalo yung gusto niyang manalo. Congrats, my love.
Thank you.
Nakakabay akong Danny
Thank you.
boy. Sing oh, sexy man! Nanalo yung Raptors. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, naglagay ako ng Mario Badescu na drying lotion sa mukha ko kasi alams na parang inaano ko na lang siya, iniiwasan ko ba, tapos yung kanina, diba, dumugo ng konti. Alam ko, I'm aware na hindi dapat lagyan ng Mario Badescu yung may mga wound ng konti. Kanina nga paglagay ko, ay, ang hapdi talaga, pero sabi ko, yan yung gusto ko, yung mga mahapdi. Feeling ko kasi kapag may mga sakit siyang hatid, nagwo-work siya. I know you're not supposed to do that, but I still did it kasi alam ko that the bloody
No.
nose, you're not supposed to put the drying lotion on like an open wound. Yeah, if there's a cut or something. But I did it anyways. Anyway, yeah. At saka, nasasayangan ako sa Mario Badescu na drying lotion. So, inaano ko siya, nilalagay ko siya sa mga, kung ano mo makita ko, kahit konting-konting dot, nilalagay ko siya. Kasi, wala na, hindi mo na yun mababalik. Nasasayangan ako sa kanya. So, kung saan-saan ko na lang siya nilalagay hanggat sa maubos. Anyway, yun na yung ating vlog. Salamat guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Good night, guys. Bye.
Good night.
Good night. Bye.